In this video, I'm going to show you how to effectively delete a WhatsApp group without removing members. So unfortunately, this is not a straightforward process because there is no built-in way to actually do it. However, there is one sort of workaround around this that you guys could potentially try, but it does come with its limitations, and I'm going to let you guys know exactly, and I'm just going to be as transparent as possible throughout this entire video. So your option is to exit the group as an admin without deleting it. So if you're the group admin and want to leave without deleting the group or removing members, you can exit and let the group continue with other members. And so to just leave the group, what you would need to do is you would need to go ahead and scroll down over here to where it says exit group, and then it will randomly assign another member as the new admin if you were the only admin. So the group remains active with all members intact, and you will no longer be part of it. The group history will remain accessible to the remaining members. Now, the good thing about this is that the group continues without disruptions, and there is no need to remove members. However, unfortunately, you lose admin control and cannot rejoin unless you are invited by the new admin. But if you want to make sure that your group remains managed by someone you trust, promote another member to admin before exiting. So if you want to, go ahead and promote someone else. For example, we can go ahead and make this individual a group admin, and then whenever we go ahead and leave, it is going to go ahead and allow this person to make all of the necessary changes and stuff like that. So the group continues with the new admins in charge, and all members remain, and the group functions as before. But if you guys just want to disengage from the group without deleting it or exiting, you can go ahead and mute the group over here. For example, we have this button over here that says mute notifications. You can go ahead and press on that, and then you should be good to go. Unfortunately, there is no 1000% surefire way to do it. There are a few workarounds, but these workarounds do require some limitations. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.